Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Upgrade your entryway with stylish shoe storage concepts that keep your space tidy while adding a touch of elegance. Discover 2024's top trends from open shelving to sleek cabinets with hidden compartments designed to fit various style and space needs. This guide offers practical tips for arranging shoes neatly while enhancing the aesthetics of your entry area. Learn about compact racks for small spaces, floating shelves that save floor space, and multifunctional benches that double as storage. Decorative elements like baskets, hooks, and small plants can be incorporated to give your entry a warm, welcoming feel. Whether your style is modern, minimalist, or rustic, these storage solutions offer the perfect blend of form and function. Keep your entry clutter-free and stylish, making a great first impression every time someone walks through your door. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.